In this video, I will show you how to use your own voice in your Suno AI songs. Here is my original track.
It starts with a spark in my mind, a whisper in the night I can't hide, sketching out the colors of my dream.
And here is the same song, but this time my AI clone is singing it.
It starts with a spark in my mind, a whisper in the night I can't hide, sketching out the colors of my dream.
And just to compare, here's what my actual singing sounds like.
It starts with a spark in my mind, a whisper in the night I can't hide, sketching out the colors of my dream.
Okay, that was terrible, but that is besides the point. That is why I'm making these AI videos and not singing. But now let me show you how you can actually do this. Since Suno AI doesn't let you do this directly, we're going to need to use a separate platform. And I have tested a bunch of these and I found a tool called Control Voice to be the best. As the first step, you need to create a song with some vocals. So for example, you can use Suno AI to do this. Now here is what my AI generated song sounds like.
Yeah, another Tuesday, screens glowing low. Got the whole world spinning, but I'm taking it slow.
Now if you're happy with it, just click on the three dots in Suno AI and click on download. And now that you have a song with vocals in place, it is time to swap those vocals with your own voice. So just head over to this page called Control Voice Swap Voice. I have left a direct link to this page in the description since the URL structure is a bit weird. Nonetheless, once you're here, we can start with the instant voice clone feature. So here, all you literally need to do is just click on instant clone and record, and then hit record again, and then just give the site an access to your microphone and then just start singing. And once you're done with the recording, just hit stop and make sure to record at least 15 seconds of your audio. And by the way, if you feel shy in front of a microphone, you can just speak there as well. The AI has a pretty good idea of what you sound like based on your speech too. Now once your recording is done, then just drag and drop the song you just created using AI here, and then choose full song with music from this checkbox below, and then just click swap voices, and then click on convert vocal. And then all you need to do is wait for a second. Usually this takes like 30 seconds up to a couple of minutes based on the song duration. But here is the result that I just got. And now before I show you that, let me briefly play 5 seconds of the original song so that you can compare.
Yeah, another Tuesday, screens glowing low. Got the whole world spinning, but I'm taking it slow.
So that was the AI generated version. Now let's hear what it sounds like when the AI has replaced the vocals using my voice.
Yeah, another Tuesday, screens glowing low. Got the whole world spinning, but I'm taking it slow.
Now that is pretty impressive and it definitely sounds a lot like me. But also it leaves some room for doubt because I'm pretty sure if I sent this to my friends, they wouldn't be able to tell instantly that it is supposed to be me. But to remedy this, what we can do is we can choose these studio models instead. As it suggests, it has the best quality. Now, since I have already done this, it is suggesting me to use my own AI artist. But if you haven't done this before, you're going to see something like get started or something like that. So you can just click here and click on create voice. And now this one takes a bit longer. So instead of just singing for 15 seconds, you actually need to sing for at least 10 minutes. Now, if you're a professional musician, you might have some existing files of yourself singing. So make sure to isolate everything and just upload your vocals without any effects or anything. But since I am no professional singer, I had to record my voice from scratch. Then just select the device you want to use as your microphone. And remember, the more silent the background and the better the microphone quality, the better the AI model will be. Then just click I'm headphone ready. And at this stage, you need to be quiet for a second for the AI to analyze your voice environment or noise environment rather. And if it gives you these kinds of warnings, you need to go somewhere where there is no distractions in the background. But if you're seeing your environment noise level is good, then you're good to go. So you can just click on my room is ready. And then you can just start singing. And to help you with that, you can use these videos from this list over here. For example, you can choose Bohemian Rhapsody and then just play here and click on record to start recording.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in the landslide.
Or if you want, you can copy paste a direct link to a YouTube video, for example, a karaoke version of a song, and just click on start singing. So it will bring up the video and then you can just hit record again.
Save your tears for another day.
And this tool will take care of the duration. So if you're singing a song that is 3 minutes in length, all you need to do is sing that all the way until the end and click stop. And then the tool will tell you how much duration you have left. So for example, in my case, we still need 9 minutes and 15 seconds. So we're going to sing another song and we can choose this one, click on record again, and we can do this until we have that 10 minutes of audio. And once you reach 10 minutes of audio, click on create voice. And this process can actually take up to 3 hours, but for me it only took like 25-30 minutes. And once your AI voice clone is ready, you can head back to the swap voice page and then select your voice. For example, I'm going to use Arturi the artist, and then just drag and drop the original AI generated song over here, choose full song with music again, and click on swap voices. And after a couple of minutes, you're going to hear your result over here. So just an example, here is the original song.
Yeah, another Tuesday, screens glowing low. Got the whole world spinning, but I'm taking it slow.
And here is the same song, but with my voice instead.
Yeah, another Tuesday, screens glowing low. Got the whole world spinning, but I'm taking it slow.
Now, as you can hear, that sounds pretty much exactly what I sound like. And now the biggest problem I think is that I am not a professional singer, so my voice is absolutely terrible because I don't know how to use it properly. So yes, I got something back that sounds exactly like me, but at the same time it sounds terrible. But hey, at least this tool did its job. And to cap it off, here comes the fun part. So if you actually want, you can also turn your song into a music video where you are the star of the video. And if you want to do that, just click the link in the description to this page called Open Art Stories tab. And here you can just hit create, then click on singing video, then drag and drop your song into this view and click on confirm. Then you can create a custom avatar, which is going to be you. So just drag and drop an image of yourself into this view. Then just click on create character and then click on create full video. And after 10 minutes or so, you're going to see your ready-made AI music video where you're starring the show.
Yeah, another Tuesday, screens glowing low. Got the whole world spinning, but I'm taking it slow. Headphones on, blocking out the street noise. Just me and this beat, finding my own voice.
I mean, isn't that amazing? Of course, it is not perfect, but it is pretty freaking impressive considering the time it took to put this together. If you want to use your own voice in your Suno AI songs, all you need to do is create a song with vocals, record a small sample of your voice, use the voice swapper in Controller AI, and enjoy the results. I see countless of opportunities in this, and remember, these tools are only getting better. I highly recommend giving Controller AI a try by signing up with my link in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.